Good morning, everyone. I have been up since about 3 in the morning. It's not even 10 a.m. yet. So I was eating my fried chicken that I made last night. But I'm using some Hawaiian bread that I got from Aldi. And I had to let it defrost a little bit because it was in the freezer. But Coral asked me what I was having for lunch, breakfast. Since I woke up at 3, I don't think breakfast should be what I'm calling this because it's going on 11. And you may be wondering why I left this piece of bread in here. That's going to be my snack when I just want something to nibble on. I don't want to make a sandwich with it when it could be something I nibble on later on. So this is my Hawaiian bread. And I'm going to cut a piece in the middle. Love this bread, boys and girls. I'm going to take some of my mayonnaise. If I'm not mistaken, I got this mayonnaise from Aldi as well. I love my sandwiches. Yes, I do with this bread. Yes, I do. Now, I was looking for something else, but I must have run out of it already. So I don't have it. Nope. Now it was a sauce, something like this, but I'm gonna taste this one to see if I can put it on my sandwich. I haven't had it in a while. Absolutely. Yes, I can. This was exactly what I was looking for, to be honest. It reminds me of something like honey sauce, sweet, savory. This is what I thought I ran out of, but I didn't run out of it. So now I'm gonna mix that in with my mayonnaise because I'm one of those people that need the whole bread covered. And I'm gonna show myself some kindness with some chicken that I bought from Aldi. I'm gonna try to use no more than 3 pieces, and that way it will allow me to cover my sandwich. But I took out 4, so I'm eating 4. Absolutely. I don't want to put it back in there just to call myself being frugal or cheap. This is mild cheddar cheese that I purchased from Aldi. I got 2 slices left, so I might as well use both of those. So I'm going to put one there, and one there. One of the reasons why I had to do a thorough, even though I wash my hands quite often, I was in my craft room making a bracelet and I accidentally cut myself, so you see some little bleeding right there. So that's what that's for there. I wanted to make sure I got that metal off my hand. So now, there's my sandwich, but something is telling me I'm missing something. Let me see what's in here that I could add to my meal. Oh no. That needs to be washed. Okay. More cheese. Okay. That's what I'm missing. A little bit of love. Here's my sandwich. Mm-mm. Mm. 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 This Hawaiian bread. Mm. 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 I love pickles. Huh. Mm. 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 Sometimes I should stop adding and just eat, then go back and look and see what's in there. Mm. 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 Ooh. When I was buying the Hawaiian bread, I was never eating it enough, so I stopped buying it. My daughter likes it, so. But then when I made a sandwich with it, wow. And it fits me perfectly because I like that sweet every now and then I like that robust. So this whole entire sandwich is beautiful, but I cannot possibly. Beverly, good morning. I see you. Yes. There she go giving me her alarm to let me know we are awake. Mm-mm. 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 So that's my breakfast. And I will come back later and have some. Uh-oh. I just threw that in the trash. Honey, I meant to throw that in the washing machine. Mm. Mm. Oh, my goodness. Boys and girls, that uh, that bread is delicious. Now, one of the reasons what took me so long to eat now is because I've been eating that fried chicken that I made about maybe 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, and that chicken came out so good. I used Knorr by itself, no turmeric, nothing. I just used the Knorr chicken seasoning, and of course, it came out great. I'm on my way to lay down, give myself some me time, and I want to say thank you so much, everyone, for chiming in, liking, commenting, subscribing, everything, boys and girls. Thank you so much. And if you like this sandwich, let me know. You have to get the Hawaiian bread from Aldi. That's the only way you're going to get it for like $3 or less. If you have an Aldi, even if it's 25 minutes from you, get your budget together so you can do one nice piece of shopping and get into Aldi. But yes, Beverly. Okay, well, I need to go talk to Beverly right now.